Welcome to Advanced LoRa. This lesson is part of Module 06, Advanced Topics. Let's get started. Let's now look at Lesson 6.3, Advanced LoRa Techniques. Here we can see the LoRa rank comparison. Let's now look at Overview. Here we can see the Target Modules Guide. Master Cutting Edge Low Rank Adaptation Variants, Quantized Low Rank Adaptation, Memory Efficient, DORA, Better Performance, Low Rank Adaptation Plus, Faster Convergence, and Ada LoRa, Adaptive Ranks. Learn when to use each technique and how to combine them for maximum performance. Duration, 90 minutes. Difficulty, Advanced. Let's now look at Learning Objectives. Here we can see the LoRa variants. By the end of this lesson, you will understand Quantized Low Rank Adaptation, DORA, Low Rank Adaptation Plus, and Ada LoRa. Know when to use each variant. Implement advanced low-rank adaptation techniques. Combine techniques for best results. Achieve +5, 10% accuracy improvements. Let's now look at LoRa variance comparison. Here we can see the adapter merging. Technique, key innovation, memory, speed, quality, best for. Standard low-rank adaptation, low-rank adaptation, medium, fast, good, baseline, quantized low-rank adaptation, 4-bit base, plus low-rank adaptation, low, fast, good, limited VRAM, DORA, weight decomposition, medium, medium, best, accuracy focus, low-rank adaptation, asymmetric LR, medium, faster, good, speed focus, Ada LoRa, adaptive rank, high, slow, best, efficiency focus, ARS. Let's now look at Technique 1, CLoRa, quantized LoRa. Here we can see the DORA weight decomposition. Let's now look at what is CLoRa. Here we can see the LoRa Plus comparison. Innovation. Combine 4-bit quantization with low-rank adaptation training. How it works. Here's the bash code for this section. Starting with base model, 16-bit, 7 GB, 4-bit, 2 GB, save 5 GB. Benefits. Train larger models, 7B instead of 3B. Use less VRAM, 3-4 GB versus 6-8 GB. Quality nearly identical to full low-rank adaptation, already the default in unsloth. Let's now look at CLoRa implementation, already using. Here we can see the adapter composition. This is CLoRa, 4-bit base plus LoRa. You've been using quantized low-rank adaptation all along. It's the standard now. Let's now look at CLoRa memory savings. Model size, 16-bit, 4-bit, quantized low-rank adaptation. Savings. 3B params, 6 GB, 2 GB, 67%. 7B params, 14 GB, 4 GB, 71%. 13B params, 26 GB, 7 GB, 73%. 70B params, 140 GB, 35 GB, 75%. With 2X Tesla, P40, 48 GB total. Can train up to 30B models with quantized low-rank adaptation. Let's now look at Technique 2, DORA, weight decomposed LoRa. Let's now look at what is DORA? Innovation. Decompose weight updates into magnitude and direction. Theory. Here's the bash code for this section. Starting with standard LoRa, W0 plus BA. Benefits. Better learning dynamics, +2 to 5% accuracy improvement, more stable training, slightly more memory, 10%, slightly slower, 15%. Let's now look at DORA implementation. Load model configured DORA count parameters. Let's now look at DORA versus standard LoRa comparison. Load model configure, LoRa, DORA, load data training, args train compare. Expected results. DORA, 2 to 5% lower loss. DORA, 10-20% more memory. DORA, 15 to 20% slower. Use DORA when accuracy is critical, you have memory headroom. Let's now look at Technique 3, LoRa Plus, improved learning rates. Let's now look at What is LoRa Plus? Innovation. Different learning rates for A and B matrices. Theory. Here's the bash code for this section. Starting with standard LoRa, LRA, /LRB, /2E4. Benefits. Faster convergence, 2x fewer steps, better final accuracy, no extra memory, easy to implement. Let's now look at LoRa Plus implementation. Load model with LoRa, LoRa Plus optimizer, with different learning rates. Separate parameters. Create parameter groups with different learning rates. Create LoRa Plus optimizer. Training with custom optimizer. Alternative, use Hugging Face Trainer with optimizer. Use LoRa Plus Trainer instead of SFT Trainer. Other args. Let's now look at Technique 4, Add a LoRa, Adaptive Rank. Let's now look at what is Add a LoRa. Innovation, dynamically allocate rank to important parameters. Theory, here's the bash code for this section. Starting with standard LoRa, all modules get same rank, R to 16. Benefits, better parameter efficiency, plus the 3 to 7% accuracy with same trainable params. Learns importance automatically. More complex, slower training. Let's now look at Add a LoRa implementation. Load model, configure Add a LoRa. Add a LoRa specific training normally. Other args, after training, inspect learned ranks. Here's the bash code for this section. Starting with learned ranks per module. Let's now look at best practices. When to use each. Let's now look at decision tree. Here's the bash code for this section. Starting with start. What's your priority? Let's now look at recommended combinations. For 2x Tesla P40, 48 GB total. Configuration 1. Balanced, recommended. QLoRa plus, LoRa plus, SHOM, fast plus, memory efficient. QLoRa plus, DORA plus, LoRa plus, best accuracy plus faster. Configuration 3. Research-experimentation. Add a LoRa to learn optimal ranks. Let's now look at comprehensive comparison experiment. Configure model, configure optimizer, train results, data frame, find best run comparison. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with Seshuatus in Disosh. Tier defs, partition modal wangi seconds. Let's now look at Advanced LoRa Checklist. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with Advanced LoRa Techniques Checklist. Let's now look at key takeaways. 1. Quantized low-rank adaptation. Already using it, 4-bit quantization. 2. DORA, +2 5% accuracy, slight memory cost. 3. Low-rank adaptation plus, Vitas 2x faster convergence, no extra cost. 4. Add a LoRa, learns optimal ranks automatically. 5. Best combo, DORA plus low-rank adaptation plus for quality plus speed. 6. Choose based on priority, memory, quality, speed. 7. Benchmark everything. Results vary by task. Let's now look at what's next. Advanced low rank adaptation mastered. Now learn domain adaptation. Continue to lesson 6.4, continued pre-training. Let's now look at additional resources. Quantized low rank adaptation paper, DORA paper, low rank adaptation plus paper, Add a LoRa paper, PEFT library. Your low rank adaptation game is now at expert level. Time to specialize. That wraps up Advanced LoRa. Well done on completing this lesson. See you in the next one.